This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, March 15th. I'm Xavier Praler. Yesterday, JV baseball game was postponed by rain, but the boys and girls tennis team scored impressive shutout wins over Lake Taylor. Ethan Willingham, Oliver Siegfried, and Harrison Gray all won matches 6-love, 6-love. Now here's Quiana Woodard in the control room with today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Xavier. Today, no Commodore teams will be in action, but tomorrow the boys and girls tennis team will look to maintain their shutout streaks with Booker T. The boys' matches will be here at Maury, while the girls' matches will be at Northside Park. Matches begin at 3:30. The JV basketball team will try to make up their game against Greenbrier Christian here at Maury. Game time is 4:30. Back to you, Xavier.
Thanks, Quiana. Now here's your Commodore community calendar for Thursday. You're up to date for Thursday, March 9th. I'm Xavier Praler. Have a great day.
This is a Commodore News Update.